Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL 1B and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and here we are in standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this settings bar and just tap to the settings from the left to get access to advanced camera options. And in the general category, at the second place now we have the grid option, so by using button from the right we can turn on the camera grid lines and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to the camera, and here in the preview they appear. So this is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need them, we have to go back to the settings from the left on the settings bar, and in the general category once again tap with the grid by this button from the right to turn them off. So for now, in the preview, the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.